Good morning to all. So in the last class, we learnt the poem Open House. So today, let's move to the exercise. You can take page number 86 in your textbook. See the first one. Tick the correct option. What could they do? Here you can see the picture of a bird sitting on a branch. Two options given. Make a nest, sing a song. So, what could they do? Sing a song. So, in the poem, it clearly says that the tree wants on its branches a bird with a song. So, the answer, sing a song. Moving to the next one. You can see the picture of a squirrel. So, two options given. Run up, down and around, cry. So, what the tree wants? The tree wants the squirrel to move all around the tree. So, what is the answer? The first one. Run up, down and around. See the next one. You can see the picture of mouse and mouselings. So, what is the answer? So, in the poem, it clearly says the tree wants mouse and 6 mouselings to be at the foot of the tree. So, bark have 6 mouselings. So, what is the answer? Second one. Have 6 mouselings. Now, let's move to the next one. Answer these questions. So, see the first one. What kind of a bird does the tree want? The tree wants a bird with a song. So, the tree wants a bird that sings a song to be on its branch. Second one. Why should the squirrel run around? The squirrel run around to have fun. The tree wants the squirrel to move up, down and around to have fun. Third one. Name one big animal and one small animal that the tree wants around it. Porcupine is a big animal. The mouse is a small animal. See the fourth one. Who should sing to the tree at night? So let's see the answer. A katydid should sing to the tree at night. See the fifth one. Where could the mouse live? The mouse could live by the roots of the tree. So the next, in page number 87, it is vocabulary. So we are going to learn about one and many. So let's discuss with an example. So here you can see a picture of a ball. So how many balls are there? It is just one. We say one ball. Okay. So let's see this picture. How many balls are there? There are 2. 1, 2. There are 2 balls. So we say balls. So when there are more than one thing, we add S. We add S at the end of the naming word. So, here it was just 1. So, we say 1 ball. Here how many are there? There are 2. So, we say 2 balls. See B-A-L-L and you add S at the end of the naming word. So, you all know what is a naming word. Naming word is a name of a person, place, thing, animal. So, it is a name of a thing. So, when you have more than 2 things, you add S at the end of the naming word. So, here it becomes balls. Why? Because it is more than 1. Let's see one more example. You can see how many flowers are there? There are 1. So, we say 1 flower. So, what about here? In this picture, how many are there? There are 8. So, we say 8 flowers. So, here we add S. Why? Because it is more than 1. So we add S at the end of the naming word, that is at the end of the word flower, and it becomes flowers. Another one. How many pencils are there? 1. It is just 1 pencil. So we say 1 pencil. See the next picture. How many pencils are there? We have 4. So it is more than 1. So when it is more than 1, we need to add S at the end of the word. So it becomes pencils. So we have 4 pencils. See the next one. Here, how many are there? Just 1. 1 apple. So we say apple. So what about here? How many are there? It's more than 1. How many? 5. So we say apples. Why? Because it is more than 1. So we add S at the end of the word apple. So it becomes apples. 5 apples. So there are many more examples like house. It means just 1. If I say houses, it means more than 1. What about cup? It means just 1 cup. And if I say cups, it means more than 1 cup. So, when we have more than one thing, we add S at the end of the naming word. Okay. So, in page number 87, there is an exercise based on this. Add S to the naming words to make them many. So, see the first one, car. It means just 1. To make it many, what we need to do? We need to add S, right? So, it becomes cars. So, which means it is more than 1. What about the second one? Cat. To make it many, what do you need to do? You need to add S. So, it becomes cats. Third one, bat. To make it many, what do you need to do? You need to add S. So, it becomes bats. Fourth one, shop. Just 1. To make it many, you need to add S. So, it becomes shops. See the fifth one, pan. To make it many, you need to add S at the end of the word pan. So, it becomes pans. Fan, fans. Girl, girls. It means more than 1 girl. Girls means more than 1. The eighth one, bird. Just 1. Birds. To make it many, we need to add S at the end of the naming word. So, it becomes birds, which means more than 1. Moving to the next one. So, here you can see some sentences. So, what you need to do is, you have to underline the naming words in these sentences. Then, you have to write O if they are 1 and M if they are many. So, see the first one. The best is red. So, which is a naming word here? The naming word here is best. So, is it 1 or many? It is just 1. Only 1 bus. So, you can just write there O. See the second one. 4 boys are playing. So, first what you need to do? You need to underline the naming word. So, the naming word here is boys. Right. So, is it 1 or many? Boys. So, it is more than 1. You can see S at the end of the word. So, it is many. So, you write M. See the third one. The book is new. So, which is the naming word here? The naming word here is book. So, just 1 book. So, it is 1. So, you can write there O. What about the fourth one? The dog is sleeping. So, which is the naming word here? Dog. 1 or many? It is just 1 dog. So, you can write there O. What about the fifth one? The girls are singing. Which is a naming word here? Girls. So, is it 1 or many? It is more than 1. You can see S at the end of the word girl. So, it is more than 1. So it is many. So you can write there M. What about the sixth one? The stars are shining. So the naming word here is stars. So is it one or many? It is more than one. So that is why we add S at the end of the word. So you can write there M. What about the seventh one? Bring me a cup. So naming word here is cup. It is just one. So you can write there O. Eighth one. Sit on the chair. So the naming word here is chair. So it's just one. So you can write there O. So you learnt about one and many. So if there are things more than one in number, what do you need to do? You need to add S at the end of the naming word. Okay. So in the next class, we'll discuss a new topic. Till then, thank you.